leather, sunroof, black coupe is fully loaded. Looks and drive new. Flawless condition. The price and the mileage is absolutely amazing. www.leecars.com. Get more amazing cars for less. Northern Auto Traders has become the standard of excellence in pre-owned vehicles. We are a 60-vehicle luxurious indoor showroom, so our vehicles are always in pristine condition. They are never exposed to the sun, rain or snow. Buy with confidence. Finance severity of credit may affect down payment. Internet prices are final. These vehicles are priced to sell. Sales prices do not include used vehicle recon fee, prep, tax, and DMV fees. Thank your interest in Northern Auto Traders. We look forward to seeing you in our showroom.